Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about s equals to u squared because I want to cancel about the square root. That's why I need to choose about u to the power of 2. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u squared, we have 2u du. So I will put this one going here, and here. The s we change by this one. This one we have u. This one we have u. U and u we can do about factorization. We simplify by u. The integration of this one, we have number 2 or tan of u. And see, that's about the constant. So about u, that is about this one. So we need to put the square root for the both sides, and we got the final answer. So we need to change u into the square root of s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.